Hey guys, I'll be going through the Ultimate Travel and Portal framework, how to set it up, how to use the portals, and a quick walkthrough of the plugin. So, first, to set up the plugin, we go to the player state. If you don't have one, just press the plus icon. In the demo folder, in the content folder of the plugin, you will find the UTPF player state. Open it. Just press the add and look for UTPF wallet. This component will handle the credit system and the wallet system in the plugin. Once we're done, I won't go through every specific feature of the plugin, but you can go to the blueprints, player controller. Here you will find almost everything you need, from the save system, how to set it up. If you're using Steam subsystem, you will put the player ID here, set wallet save key for player. This will be the save file for the credit system of the player. After that, you do get UTPF wallet for player, then load the wallet on begin play. In this example, I'm doing the save by button press. So X will do get the wallet for player is valid save wallet for player. Then here I'm doing the wallet widget. Create widget, credit, I'll be showing you that in a bit. Add to viewport, remove to viewport. This is a sample on how to add a credit. You can add credit through a button, or if you want, let me show you how to. Here I created simple samples of collectible tickets. I pressed B to show the wallet, and I collected the tickets. I press 1 to increase my credit. This portal will request tickets. So if I go to that portal, I forgot one thing. Let's go to project settings. Scroll down to Ultimate Travel and Portal Framework. Go to the Portal Countdown widget class. Choose the Portal Countdown. This widget is just to display the text in case you don't have enough credit. That's what the player will see. You just get the event on countdown updated. Simple stuff, just set the text and that's it. One more thing, you also can set the loading widget. I will show you that also in a bit. In case if you're traveling cross level, you want to show the player a loading screen, you just put that here. If you want to show the player a loading screen in the same level, you can also choose that here. This will be covering both. And this is the minimum display seconds for the widget. Here you will find general settings. For the portal, choose color high, green, yellow, red. So let's show the wallet. I have 0 tickets. If I come to the portal, it will show me that you need 10 tickets to travel. If I go to the portal that will ask for credits. You need 25 credits to travel. Okay, I have credits now. Traveling. Now here I travel to another level. What you just saw, the camera movement, the moment I traveled, is click on the portal. Let's go through every option in this portal. The node ID is the ID of this portal. So make sure it's unique to this portal only. So if you want to travel from this portal to this one, you will put the node ID. Display name category, that's just for reference. Visibility mode, normal, hidden until discovered. You can hide portals, and then let's say after an achievement or after a mission is done, you show that portal to the blueprint nodes. The travel direction, both ways, arrival or departure. If we choose arrival, this portal will not allow players to travel. It will only receive other players. Departure is the same idea. Players will only be able to travel through this portal and not arrive to it. Execution mode, same server, unless you're creating a multi-server MMO. You will find more details about this in the documentation. Here is the destination mode, direct transform. Let's talk about linked node ID. So let's say I want to travel from this portal to this portal. This portal, the node ID is 21. Here I will put 21. So if I go through here, I will get out from here. Travel point ID is, let's go here and we just look for travel point. We put that here. The node ID of this travel point is the travel point ID we will put here. That's mainly, you would mainly use that in the UI in case you want to enable fast travel. Direct transform is the destination, is to travel to another level. Like I just showed you, you will just choose the level and the destination, and it's that simple. Activation type, auto and overlap, or if you wanna add your interaction system, you can do that, or scripted, that for complex blueprint or any other functions you have in mind. Portal stability, it will just adds encounter chance if it's unstable. More details about that in the documentation. Basically, let's say you want to damage the player if they go through an unstable portal, you can do that, or spawn them somewhere else. Anything you have in mind, you can do it. Um, Here you can choose the audio effect, life cycle, how many times you wanna this portal be used. Cinematics is it's not perfect. Fade and tilt up sometimes might not tilt up, but it will add a cinematic effect once you travel. In case you have your own sequence, you just go to custom blueprint and you choose your sequence. The cost. As I showed you just now, if you want the player to be able to travel without the wallet system, you just turn that off. If you want to charge them, you choose credits, tickets, credit and tickets, credits or tickets, whatever you like. Here, use portal juice. Let me show you that. So, portal juice is just simply like a stamina system for portals. So, I will go through this one. That costed me around 40%. Yeah. If I go again, 20%. Now, if I go third time, not enough portal juice to travel. So it's fully configurable from the blueprint itself, but if you need more advanced things, you can do it through blueprint. UI and group. You need to enable party travel to show the UI you just saw, the traveling text. If there are more than one player in the server, it will ask all players must be near the portal to travel. If you don't want that, just turn it off. These don't work for now. It's for a later update. Limits, simple stuff. Global max use per player. How many times a player can use this portal? How many times can this portal be used? And cooldown. This is also not fully implemented, but it will be implemented in a later update to have a world map. Counters, sequence. I think I did this twice. This travel sequence is the same as the cinematic. Time, in case you're using a server time, you can, for example, you can, let's say you just want the portal to be active at night, you can do that based on the server time. That's just the same settings. Okay. So I created these portals. These are a bit heavy on the GPU, so you can switch to your own system and effect, or you can keep using these. I think most of you should be fine with it. Let's go about temporary portals. In case you wanna give the player the ability to spawn a temporary portal, you first go to the level. We will add travel point. Let's put it here. This travel node ID will be 244. Let's save. Okay. So spawn temporary portal. This will be for 10 seconds. Destination node ID will be 244. Max uses is keep it 0 unlimited. And the portal that we will spawn is smoke portal. Save. Hit play. So if we hit T, oh, it's B. So we hit B. Try again. Okay. If we hit B, the portal will spawn here. and it will take us here. Now, in case you want to enable fast travel through the UI, you call travel to node. In this example, I'm just showing you through an input, but the same idea. You call travel to node ID, you just hit, you spawn there. You don't want to put that as an input for the player, it's just for the demo. So for the wallet system, it's totally optional. You have this WP credit. You can customize it, simple. You get the wallet, get portal, choose percent and color, you set it, get all tickets, get credit, set the credit and the text. In case you want to have a history log to show the travel history of the user, you can get travel history for the player and then plug it into your UI. Here we have the nodes for all the ticket and credit system. You have add credit. If you want to check if the user has tickets, consume ticket, you can use it for things other than the portals. Get ticket count, same for the credit, remove credit, add credit, get credit, has credit. These are all the portal nodes. Spawn travel portal. Are required players ready for the portal. Destroy travel portal. Force group travel. Get active portal summary. This is just for logging. In case you want to have if you want to highlight the portal with a specific style or color, you can use this node. Is portal discovered for player? Get players near portal. Get nearby portals. Make portal discovered for player. This is the one we spoke about. In case a player has finished a mission, you can use this one. And if the portal is inactive, or do you want to deactivate the portal, the same idea, set portal active state. In the ticket blueprint, the example I showed you is just a normal mesh. On component begin overlap, cast to your character, cast to your player controller, add a ticket, destroy actor. The whole system is replicated and it's ready for dedicated servers. It's ready for multiplayer games and single player games. In the content folder of the plugin, you will find everything you need. Examples, the player state, we mentioned that. Player controller, game mode is the same game mode, there's nothing in it. Here you will find the portal and the low quality smoke. The NS portal is a higher quality system. It might be heavy on the system, so be careful when using that. And this is the travel portal. If you wanna create your own portal, you simply just new blueprint class, travel, get from travel portal, not the BP travel portal. Select. Here you can choose whatever you want. You can customize the portal however you want. You want to change the text, not enough credits. Make sure to leave this 0. This will be for the amount of tickets. One thing I forgot to mention is the tickets. The ticket ID. What's the difference between the credits and the tickets is that the credits is just the money. Tickets will be, let's say you want to go to planet A. You need ticket for that planet specifically. You have to collect the planet A tickets. Those tickets will not work for tickets for portals that asks for planet B tickets. So that's one thing. Yeah, I guess that's it.